Hey lovelies, I'm back with a video. I'm actually back with a hair video. So your girl is retouching up my hair because these roots look gross. Okay, so I'm using the Strawberry Leopard Lightening Kit. This is my second time using it and I love it. I mean, I'm not really a fan of the highlighting cap because y'all, I'm not gonna hold you, it hurts. Like, even if you put the conditioner, like pulling the hair through that hole, it hurts. Okay, like it's definitely pulling your hair a little, but it's definitely worth it. The end results was worth it. But honestly, y'all, like I'm not even doing no particular pattern. I'm just pulling the hair out. Like y'all will see. It's not a particular order that I'm doing it, but I'm just pulling the hair out. And honestly, I should have pulled more hair out, but like I said, it hurts. So your girl was over it. So I did as much as I can handle, and then I'm like, yeah, this is good enough. So now I'm mixing everything together, and make sure you see how it looks like that, nice and smooth, creamy. That's how it's supposed to look. Okay, time to get started. So, of course, I start off at the root. So, I'm really just like applying it to the roots everywhere, all around the head, and really massaging it in the hair. Like, you'll see, I keep massaging in the hair and like, and then I work my way down to the ends. But really, my main focus is really the roots because the roots is dark. But yeah, so I'm gonna stop talking, just watch the process. One more thing, disclaimer, I am not a professional hairstylist. I didn't go to cosmetology school, but you know, so do it at your own risk. Like me, I've always colored my hair ever since I was younger. Like, I don't think, have I went to a hairstylist to get my hair colored? I think I always colored my own hair. Like, I always just winged it. Yeah, so disclaimer, do it at your own risk. So the whole process of like me starting to put the color and everything in was about like 40 minutes total. 40-50. I didn't really time it, but just an idea around the time that I put it. But y'all see it going lighter. Y'all ready for the final product? Also, let me know if you guys want a detailed silk press video, because y'all know I ate this up. I trimmed it and I did a silk press. Thank you for watching.